which include activities and adventures. As you read by title, I am at the world's tallest statue. Oh my god, guys, there it is. We are right now next to Vadodara, but not right in the city. This statue is called the Statue of Unity, and it is a statue honoured to the great man SARDAR VALLAHBHAI Patel. So if you know, the well-known Statue of Liberty, which is in New York, is 92 meters. And this statue, which is now the world's tallest statue, Statue of Unity, they're quite similar names, but this one is Statue of Unity, is 183 meters, so it's double the size. And there's actually a viewing point, and there's a whole river underneath. There is a lot to do here at Statue of Unity. There's also a jungle safari, a petting zoo, and also river rafting, which I really want to go, but the age to go there is 14 and above. So I'm only 12, but I can't go here. But I also want to try this when I get older to go river rafting here. But I can't wait to see the viewing point up there because it is really high, and I really want to see this whole view of the river and the really nice mountains there. So let's go see that. So you guys can come all the way up till here to the parking lot and where the bus comes. Yes, you have to take a bus up to the Statue of Unity because it is quite a long way to go there. Some places, if you want to go here, you could just go by walk, but where we want to go straight to the statue, you'll have to take a bus. So we are kind of waiting for the bus right now. We really don't know where it is, but here we are in the parking lot. There's not that many people here today, if I see by the cars, but we'll see inside. And yeah, so guys, as you can see, I'm looking at the app for the ticket prices. So the express entry to go to the statue is actually 1,030 rupees entry fee. So that's express entry, so you can go just straight into the statue. There's also the suit entry ticket, which is 150 rupees, and that one's just a normal one. We didn't want to spend a lot of money on it, so that's the one we chose. And then there's also a foreigner VG ticket, which is for, oh my god guys, it is for 1,530 rupees. So if you guys want to take the whole experience, that is the one you could go for. But we didn't want to spend as much money on that ticket, so we just took a normal ticket just to see the statue and see the whole view of it. So guys, now I am on the bus, as you can see, and it's quite empty, not as full. So we are finally going to see the statue and going inside. So we are going to take the ticket. Okay guys, so we are finally on the bus and we are going to go inside the statue now. So there are separate buses for each attraction. So this bus takes us straight to the statue, and if you want to go anywhere else, there are other buses for that. So I can't wait to go inside the statue.
કોઈ માણસ પડે જાય તો બસાવવા હાટું.
So guys, the statue was announced that it was going to be built. Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, announced it himself on 7th October 2013. And the building of this statue happened on 30th October 2013. So it was quite a long time before it was announced and it was in place in building. And this building was statue was actually built and finished on 30th October 2018. So it took 5 years to build the world's tallest statue, which is in India. Statue of Unity, which is the world's tallest statue, and it is 182 meters. And then next up is the Spring Temple Buddha in China, which is 153 meters. And then another Buddha, Ushika, don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, hopefully I did, but that's in Japan, 120 meters. And then the most famous Statue of Liberty in New York is 93 meters. The Motherland Falls in Russia, 85 meters. And then the Christ, the Redeemer, Brazil, 38 meters. So you can see, if we take 38 meters and 182, you can see the price comparison and the size comparison. This statue is so tall. That is the world's tallest statue. So this is how the SARDAR VALLAHBHAI PATEL statue was made. So it says from 0 to 11 by what different parts they made, and it is quite a long journey. I made like from this to finally number 12 here, the whole statue itself. That took 5 years to make, and oh my god guys, I can't wait to see the inside of this statue and the viewing deck of it.
For this.
So guys, look at the different architecture here. I mean, this is a tree with birds and different animals. Like you can see a monkey here, different animals here. It's very different. And if you see on top, there are these different swells which have different types of birds and different species of birds here. It is really nice here and really bright. And if you guys come here, you can see the different history about this whole India. So it will start. As you can see, the different people
are a sub-tribe of the Bhil community of Gujarat. They are mainly found in the regions between the two rivers of South Gujarat, namely Tapi and Narmada, also known as Reva. They cleared the forest and
you can go from the outside. You can take the escalators up to the foot. I mean, actually, you can go touch the foot of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. But if you also want to go up to the chest to the viewing point to see the whole view, you can go downstairs, and you have to buy an extra ticket for that though. You can go downstairs and go in one of the 4 elevators which are inside the legs. Guys, so right now I'm in the food court, and as you can see, you can get ice cream, cold water, cold drinks there. There's also a mini honest here, and then you can also get pizza, sandwiches, all that here. And then you can also get coffee here, Subway there, and there's actually a huge Starbucks right there. So it's quite a big food court, and the view we get is of the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's statue, and it is really nice here, and I can't wait to eat because I am actually really hungry. So guys, I hope you like this video of me visiting the world's tallest statue, which is in India, of the one and only Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And if you did enjoy this video, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. If you ever come to India, guys, make sure you visit here and make sure you go up to the top. It is very nice. I've seen in some videos, but yeah. So I'll see you guys in my next video.